Get up to speed on phrasal verbs with up. So how can we use the phrasal verb up? Well, I've got 5 different ways to show you. Number 1. Up is a preposition that is used to indicate movement or direction, typically towards a higher position or level. It's often used with verbs of movement such as walk, run, climb and fly. It's the more literal meaning of the word and is essentially the opposite of down. For example, I'm going to walk up the hill. She's running up the stairs. He's climbing up the ladder. The plane flew up into the sky. Number 2. Up can also be used to indicate an increase or improvement in something. For example, prices are going up. The weather eventually brightened up by the weekend. His spirits cheered up since he got some good news. Number 3. Up can also be used to indicate completion or finality. So, for example, I'm all packed up and ready to go. He's cleaned up the kitchen and can relax. Eat up before your food gets cold. Now, another meaning of up is to divide or split. So, for example, Ruby felt sad after she broke up with her boyfriend. Ruby felt sad after she broke up with her boyfriend. My dog ripped up my homework. Number 5. Up can also be used to mean stop. Here's some examples. It's so difficult to learn the guitar, I'm tempted to give up. If you own up, you stop keeping a secret and admit the truth. So let's go over quickly the RP British English pronunciation of up. Up. So it's a short sound with a p, which is the p sound, which is a short puff of air through the lips. Up. Up. You'll come across lots of different phrasal verbs with up in everyday conversation, although the most obvious use of it being the opposite of down. It's worth learning the other different ways it appears so you can recognise and introduce it into your own conversations.